Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can blur things out in Adobe Photoshop CC. So the first thing we can do is we can try using the blur tool. So the blur tool is down here on the left, and it looks sort of like a circle with a point on it. Now with the blur tool, just like with any other brush, you can adjust the size of it, and you can also adjust the strength of it. Now if you left click with the brush and you start moving it around, that will start blurring out the area that is covered by the brush. So as you can see, it's starting to blur out the parts of the image that I've gone over with the brush. Now this method isn't always the best, but it might suit you for certain use cases. Now there are other methods, so the next method that we can use is we can come to Filter, and we can then click Blur, and we can then click Gaussian Blur here. Now in Gaussian Blur, you can then adjust the radius, so that will be the amount that the image is blurred. So if we say turn it up to around 200, then the image will be really blurred, and if we turn it down to say something like 20, then it won't be that blurred. Now if you want to be able to only blur out a specific area of the image, then all you need to do is come to the selection tool here, and then all you need to do is just select the area of the image that you want to become blurred. So say we just want this area of the image to become blurred, all we need to do is just select it with the selection box, and then come back to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur again, and as you can see, now it's only affecting that area there. So for example, we could make this area really blurred here, and then we could select another area with the marquee tool, and we can make this area a little less blurred. So if you come to Gaussian Blur again, and we turn it down to, say, 50. So there we go, we've just blurred two parts of the image out. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.